Hey guys, you ever want a tiller handle that's actually long enough and durable enough and just made correctly? Just look at this thing. Look at the quality. It's all aluminum. It's precision welded. Nice grip. It's got a spot right here so where you can press that kill switch. Press it with the finger, go right in there. Clamps on here with wing nuts. Goes on to most small to medium outboards, meaning anything from a 2.5 all the way to like a 25 or a 30 horse outboard, like 4-stroke of new. And it will even go onto a higher horsepower outboard like the 2-strokes of old or the 4-strokes of old that just had smaller grips. But if you have something like a 20 horse Mercury tiller or even a 25 or 30 horse tiller, this will go on it and give you tremendous amounts of leverage. You can till standing up and holding this. I only used it on a 5 horsepower and I thought it gave me tremendous leverage, and I was actually able to use that skiff like a standing skiff, where before I really couldn't do that. And there were like the little small plastic tiller extensions, those aren't really long enough for you to kind of stand and hold. This one though, on the other hand, I had a really good time using it. These are on our website. Check them all out. They're all new and they're in limited quantities, guys. Thank you much.